In this question, we have been given if A is equal to this matrix 1, 2, 4, 2, then we have to show that the determinant of 2 times the matrix A is equal to 4 times the determinant of matrix A. Okay, so let's start solving the question. Now to solve the question, first of all, I take A, which is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. So therefore 2A would be equal to this much, 2 times the matrix A. And on solving, I'm going to get this as equal to 2, 2 ones are 2. And we know that whenever a number multiply a matrix, it multiply with each elements of the matrix. So this will be equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Okay, so we get 2 times the matrix A. Now, determinant of twice the matrix A would be equal to determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4. Okay, now to simplify this, this is a determinant of order 2, so we multiply these elements first, 2 and 4, 2 into 4, and subtract it from 4 into 8. So this will be equal to 4 twos are 8 minus 32. So this will be equal to minus 24. Okay, so we can say that our LHS left hand side is equal to this much. Now taking RHS right hand side, that is, now I'm going to calculate the value of 4 times the determinant of A. So this will be equal to 4 into determinant of matrix A. So the matrix A is this much. So determinant of matrix A would be 1, 2, 4, 2. And this will be equal to, we are going to now multiply 1 into 2 and subtract it from 2 into 4. 1 into 2, 2 minus 2 into 4. So this gives me the determinant of this matrix A, and it was here 4 times. So I'm going to get this as 2 minus 8, that will be equal to 4 into minus 6, that is equal to again minus 24. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, this shows that the given result is true. So this shows that the given result or condition is true. Okay.